Hello friends, we are going to solve online quiz for research and publication ethics. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then please press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. The question number first is, the researcher must be brave through dash dash dash, and the options are A, by choosing to work in research, B, through the volume of information and interventions, C, by the decision to learn foreign languages, and option D is all of these. And the correct answer is by choosing to work in research. The question number second is, at what stage of the research cycle is the research objective established? And the options are A, the stage of defining the problem, B, the stage of funding identification, C, the stage of management, and option D is the stage of forming the team. And the correct answer is the stage of defining the problem. The question number third is, the number of field of interest of a researcher is calculated according to the formula dash dash dash. And the options are A, a researcher must have between 2 to 5 areas of interest. B, a researcher must have as many areas of interest as possible. C, a researcher must have at least one area of interest. And D, 2 into n plus 1, where n is the age of the researcher. And the correct answer is A, a researcher must have between 2 to 5 areas of interest. The question number 4 is, the researcher is selective when, and the options are A, he or she chooses his or her journals where she or he publishes. B, he or she chooses which project to work on. C, he or she chooses his partners. And D, all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. The question number 5 is, fundamental research is characterized by dash dash dash, and the options are A, proposing a clear objective to be achieved, B, implementation of the proposed platform, C, none of these, and D, meeting all members of the research project. And the correct answer is proposing a clear objective to be achieved. Question number 6 is, in research what exactly should we estimate? And the options are the partners we will collaborate with, B, research objectives, C, none of these, and D, research costs. And the correct answer is research costs. The question number 7 is, the novelty in the research activity refers to dash dash dash, and the options are A, the novelty of the solution, B, the novelty of the objective pursued, C, the novelty of the implementation mode, and D, all of these. And the correct answer is D, all of these. The question number 8 is, which of the following characteristic is essential for a researcher? And the options are A, gender, male or female, B, the resources at his disposal, C, age, and D, education. And the correct answer is D, education. The next question is, scientific development research is applied based on the obtained results in the research dash dash dash. And the options are A, applicative research, B, fundamental research, C, individual research, and D, interdisciplinary research. And the correct answer is applicative research. The next question is, the ethics is dash dash dash, and the options are A, the whole of moral relations, B, the doctrine of morality, C, a social phenomenon, the form of social consciousness, and D, all of these. And the correct answer is the doctrine of morality. The next question is, what does ethics impose on research? And the options are A, to have in its center the satisfaction of the target group, B, frequent appearances on social media, C, obtaining a considerable profit, D, to have in its center the achievement of the objectives. And the correct answer is to have in its center the satisfaction of the target group. The next question is, which of the following is a type of research grouped according to the researcher's criteria? And the options are A, individual research, B, self-funded research, C, short-term research, and D, all of these. And the correct answer is A, individual research. The next question is, which of the following are risk of plagiarism? And the options are A, destroying the public image of the researcher, B, losing of the obtained titles by the researcher, C, losing of the inspiration, and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. The last question is dash 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 is not a type of cybercrime, and the options are A. data theft, B. installing antivirus for protection, C. damage to data and systems, and D. none of these. And the correct answer is installing antivirus for protection. My dear friends, wish you all the best for the exam. Have a good day.